The Stumpjumper 15 is the one bike to rule all trails, providing riders with breakthrough capability, ultimate control, and unmatched personalization. The Specialized Science Club creates our full suspension bikes by developing the chassis, geometry, kinematics, and suspension components as an integrated whole. Their crown jewel is Genie, a best of both worlds suspension tech marvel that is poppy and playful with a bottomless DH feel. Suspension, geometry, chassis sizing, and spec work together to calmly dispatch every condition from big hits to steep descents to technical climbs. Genie shock technology grants every trail rider's 3 wishes: coil spring bump performance, air spring bottom out prevention, and a tunable platform for a playful feel. Compared to air shocks on the market, Genie's 2 positive air chambers allow for a lower spring rate earlier in the stroke with a higher ramp up later in the stroke. Genie technology provides superior bump force management for most bumps experienced on the trail. Genie's softer initial spring allows the shock to use more travel to absorb the same amount of energy, resulting in superior bump force management and better control. This makes the bike feel like it has more travel to eat up small and mid-sized bumps. This best of both worlds tech provides 16.3% better bump force management than Bike of the Year Stumpjumper Evo, while also delivering 57% better traction and 39% fewer bottom outs than a standard air spring, giving riders a fun, playful bike that can still plow like it has more travel. Watch All You Need to Know about the Genie shock for the complete breakdown of its unmatched performance. This bike's geometry delivers big bike capability with a nimble feel and lively, efficient climbing. The generous cockpit centers riders on the bike, optimizing traction and corner control. The low bottom bracket and a slack head tube angle keep things stable in the rough. The 3 rear center dimensions across the size range optimize handling for riders of different sizes. We pioneered and continue to elevate down tube storage. SWAT 4.0 is the smoothest, most weather-resistant flush-mounted system around. Integrated adjustability makes it the most personalizable trail bike ever, with 6 distinct geometry settings. An eccentric headset cup adjusts the head angle between 63 and 65.5 degrees. Bottom bracket height can be set low for stability or 7 millimeters higher for clearance by swapping the Horseling chips. With our aftermarket mixed wheel link, riders can choose the rolling speed, traction, and rollover benefits of big wheels front and rear, or mix things up with a 27.5 rear for a more responsive and playful ride, all without affecting the geometry and suspension characteristics. By removing or adding spacers in Genie's air chambers, riders can independently tune middle stroke and end stroke to suit their style and terrain. For more details, watch why and how to adjust Genie air volume. With breakthrough capability, ultimate control, and unmatched personalization, Stumpjumper 15 is the one bike to rule all trails.